This is a Dek Rail grooved aluminum post. Let's get one installed right now. Okay, I just want to quickly point out that we're going to be showing you how to install a grooved Dek Rail post with a grooved faceplate, but we also have a ungrooved or flat-faced version post, same size, same dimension with an ungrooved faceplate. The procedure to install these posts is exactly the same regardless if they're grooved or ungrooved versions. Okay, moving on. Install the T-bar base into the bottom of the post using a pre-drill with a 3/16 bit and then secure with two number 12 by 3/4 inch Drill-X screws. Dek Rail's exclusive tri-axis post anchor design lets you adjust for vertical movement, in and out, as well as adjust for plumb. Sleeve your slotted post onto the post anchor. Now make adjustments to your post up and down, in and out, and set to plumb. Pre-drill with a 3/16 bit to install your first set screw. Once your first screw is in, check your post for plumb. Now pre-drill and install the remaining 3 set screws. Now finish by installing the faceplate to the post using dish soap and water. You are done. And there it is, you guys. No bolts, no plates, no brackets, and no screws showing when it's done. Absolutely beautiful. On to the next one.